Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off AutoPay in PhonePe. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to turn off or disable AutoPay in PhonePe, first what you need to do is launch the app, and inside be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on My Money at the bottom menu, then or just simply tap on the to bank or UPI ID. Inside, scroll down and select AutoPay or recurring payments or UPI mandates, and then you'll see a list of active AutoPay services, example mobile recharge, electricity, subscriptions, etc. Tap on the specific service you want to turn off, and then once that's done, simply tap on cancel AutoPay or stop mandate, and once you do this, it will ask you to confirm your action when prompted. All you gotta do is confirm and the AutoPay is now disabled. Future payments for that service will not be deducted automatically. Note that cancelling AutoPay does not reverse past payments. Some cancellation may take few hours to reflect in the system. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.